Screw thingy up there. Oh, I need to pull that down. I'm talking to myself now. It's brilliant because I talk to myself anyway, so I'm talking to that as well. So, we begin this week with a removed dashboard. I didn't film that because it was very boring and it took me ages because I've never done one before. So dashboard's out and all the heater stuff. Little pile there. I left the seats in for that because it's actually quite nice to sit down and do that. So we're going to pull out the heater box. Well, first remove all this wiring. Pull out the rest of the wiring loom. And do that. And carry on stripping the interior. I found something that isn't rotten. So I've stripped that door down off camera because I forgot to turn it on. So we'll do this one now. Basically do this whole side of the car first because, well, I'm here. And then yeah, we'll do the other side. And I'll get the seats out as I go. Because it's quite nice to sit on the seats whilst you do work. I've got a feeling these are from a Saab 900, and so are these doors. For sale. First time we've restored a 4-door car. Ow, not 5 doors. Oh, there's so much soft cushiony stuff. These are nice. I like the back seats. Time for bed. I can't face doing the door at this time of night. We shall carry on with that tomorrow. Let's have a tidy. So I'd like to say it's the next day, but it isn't. It's actually the next week, hence the haircut, the better lighting. I think I can remember where I got to. Someone has arrived. Is there a screw thingy up there? Oh, I need to pull that down. I'm talking to myself now. It's brilliant because I talk to myself anyway, so I'm talking to that as well. No, it's alright. It all gets edited anyway. You in front of it if you like. That won't go on film.
Really?
No. Decent radio in here, because I bought that one up and it's packed up. Oh. Because I usually like to work in silence, but there's the odd occasion I like some tunes.
Yeah, I like it. I got a booklet the other day, Saturday.
Yeah.
Where he said, what would you today the tunes then? I said, I don't know, just in the right frame of mind.
Yeah, that's what it is, isn't it?
I do sort of miss music, I have to admit. I do find myself sometimes thinking, why am I sort of so down in the dumps? And if I sort of think about it, music.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
And it sort of takes you.
I'm thinking, wow,
I feel better now.
yeah.
Ooh, it's gone.
Where's that coming through there?
Another bit on. What seems to be the thing with doors, the back ones fall apart and the front ones are absolute bastards. It's something to do with the longevity of it all, I don't know. I think we've earned another cup of tea. I'm going to put the kettle on. Do you want another cup of tea?
Yes, please.
I shall go and produce one. A cup of tea. So I had a friend come and help me earlier, and it's safe to say we got a bit carried away off camera. The interior's out, apart from that seat. And this bit of trim. Hi. So there we are. That's the result of today. We have some red bits there, two lovely seats, and a nearly bare interior. And I have to say, it's not too bad, rot-wise. Bit of grot in the floor. Hang on, let me get a torch. I'll be back with the torch. Back with the torch. Well, there's crap everywhere. Oh, there's one where that screwdriver went. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's been some horrible repairs, but it really isn't the worst part of the car. Brake pipes are nice. Won't even have to replace those. Never been thought of not replacing brake pipes on a classic car restoration. yeah, there's nothing to report here really. Oh, yeah, there is that elephant in the room. Something's gone on there. That looks like a horrible inner wheel arch repair. And they haven't bothered with the outside. Outside? No. That bit there. Yeah, it's not good. But it's an easy repair. Cut that bit out and just weld a new bit in. Again, we've got another interesting repair here. Well, at least it's complete. We'll need to have a grinder party on it. What else? What else? What else? What else? Oh yes. Let's travel back further through the car. This is surprisingly good down here. Yes. Oh, yeah, we've got a bit of grot going down there, which is to be expected. Iffy wheel arch repair as well on that side. In fact, that's going to be a bit horrible to repair. But I think it'd be fine if I cut out this platform here just to repair it. Or I might be able to get to it from underneath, but we'll see. Small potatoes. We've got an issue there where the boot seal, well, the boot seal lip is missing there, and a hole. But this side, absolutely fine. Nothing wrong with it at all. Spare wheel bit, fine. Absolutely, well, no, the top skin's gone through. But yeah, well, this will be needle gunned anyway, and I'm sure it will reveal more. But no, at the moment I'm not too disappointed. So now, strip those two doors down. Remove the seat belts, wiring, gear thing, what do you call it? Gear knob, that's it. Leaving the steering in for now so we can move the car about. So I'll leave that till the last minute. Oh, headlining, tailgate glass, other glass, all the glass out. And do some organising because there's a bit strewn all over the place in an organised fashion, but it needs to be put upstairs. Changed my mind. I need to take this quarter light out because it's just too tempting. That was easy. I'll put that in a bag in a bit. Is my head in this? Not that you want to see my head. I'll go a bit. Oh yeah, there we go. And all the rubbish on the roof. Now this is actually shrunk. This isn't, someone hasn't put the wrong length in here, it's actually shrunk over the ears, back. Which is remarkable really, it's amazing how plastic can do that. I don't want to destroy any seals because they actually look in really good nick. They're all soft and supple as well. No, destroy those because they're ruined anyway. There she goes. Oh, what's that? It's taken the whole car with it? Nice. No, it's not too bad. Well, I'm very surprised at how alright that is. I mean, I've had a stab, as you can probably have seen, and we're alright. No holes. I mean, that lip's gone crusty, but we can sort that. Add a little bit in. It's just where it's double skinned and the corrosion has gone between the skins. I mean, it's lovely up there, of course, as soon as it gets to the bottom. Yeah, but no holes, which is nice. It's what we like. Well, I haven't needle gunned it yet, but actually no, I won't needle gun that bit. Oh, we'll see. Yeah, this side's less good. On the plus side, we have a lip. Downside, well, nothing else. I mean, it's just, yeah, it's just. But let's be honest, that's not too bad at all, really. I'm still very pleased. So let's stop getting distracted now. Oh, I'll do them tomorrow. I'll do them tomorrow because I'm getting tired. Because I'm 26 and that means I'm old because I'm close to 30.